Welcome to DJM TV.
My correct people, we greet una. Welcome una once again to DJM TV. Una what's up channel where they give una ogbonge update like this as the hot. My people, updates will carry on this time around now about the whole katakata and saga will be said they happen inside Synagogue Church of Foundation, late Prophet TB Joshua's church. My people, when I hear the story, the whole thing happened, they drag them, what they say TB Joshua doing their life and all of that. Right now, my people, YouTube don't terminate the official page of Prophet TB Joshua. Not be smart, you know, this is so heartbroken. After DSTV don't space talk, say they go remove their channel, Emmanuel TV for their this thing. Now YouTube don't do them this kind of thing. My people, basically they pray me not get bad belly or may the world not get bad belly for them. Which kind of thing come with this one? Anyway, my people, when I know say this church, so a very strong church maybe say they know they look all those things. The person where they in charge than the wife of late Prophet TB Joshua. I'll put on this video. I'm not hear what this talk concerning so mad. Sir?
In fact, when the man of God was there, at a time, I asked him when I said, how many altars are we going to have in the house? How many altars do we have in this house? You go there, there is altar. You go there, there is altar. You go there, there is altar for God. How many? But now, I understand better. Apart from the physical altar, you see this altar is another great one. See that moving around. So he moves around, he has no job. Looking for someone to devour. And one thing you must know at any time is that you don't know who is reporting you before God. Satan has no job, so he goes about looking for one to destroy, soul to destroy. One other thing you have to understand is that everything that happens to you in life, God allows it. And there's a purpose to strengthen you, to take you to a new level in life. And so whatever be the situation, you will stand, you will come out strongly. Whatever be the temptation, no matter how he tried to pull you down, you will come out what? Strongly, because your life does not belong to him. We've come a long way in this church, Synagogue Church of all Nations, with all kinds of persecution. I'm bringing this in now because I know when you live there and you tell someone today, I'm coming from the synagogue, you said, is this still existing? Is the synagogue still existing? The foundation of this church is not led by man, it's by God. So it will exist. Even when we all have gone, children yet unborn will take over. If Prophet TB Joshua did not multiply, he did not build something into people, plant something into people, of course, the synagogue will not be standing. But he took his time to nurture, to teach, to build people, character-wise. Today, we are standing. And not just standing, we are standing stronger than ever before. So my people, do not be afraid. Say to someone, don't be afraid. Don't be afraid. Fear comes from Satan. It's a torment. You are a child of God. You have freedom. Fear should not torment you. You have no reason to be afraid of anything because Christ is our life.
Hey, my people, not be smart. This documentary BBC released last month concerning this Synagogue Church of Foundation, it has really cost a lot for the church. Different story, different bars, different as in it is so much. To the extent now YouTube can't terminate their official channel where they are this thing. But this one it get as a bill. This one get as a B. It's not really good though. Everyone will see this whole matter. Make una drop una comment one and reason now. And make una don't forget to like and share. And make una follow us for all our social media handle DJM TV. And make una subscribe to our YouTube channel. Una do well. See you all in our next video.
DJM TV. DJM